talk to.
Welcome to DinkLife.
I can't even get through the intro. It is ridiculous how hard it is snowing here right now.
Yeah, it's crazy.
We came to downtown Akron at the recommendation of somebody who commented on one of our other videos. So thank you for that. It was Highland Heights Tap Room, right?
Yeah,
Did I get that right?
I
Okay.
think so, yeah.
If I didn't, I apologize. But thank you, because we didn't even know this was happening. However, also didn't know there was going to be a blizzard this evening either.
There's supposed to be a drone show, which will be interesting.
Right. So we came down here because there is a park right behind us that normally in the summer and things like that hosts concerts and tribute bands and things like that. It's a lovely little park. And then in the winter they have ice skating rink and they've got events all through the year and stuff like that. Well, it had been closed for a couple of years actually.
Yeah.
Sorry, my nose is running now. For them to redo it. And tonight is not only the parade to welcome Santa.
Yeah.
It's the ribbon cutting for Lock 3. Archie the Talking Snowman is here, which,
back.
If you aren't from Akron, you would have no idea about that. But Archie was like an institution at the main mall here in Akron for years and years and years. Like, you would go see Santa, and then you would walk up to Archie, who was as tall as the mall ceiling.
Yeah,
like 22 feet tall, I think
huge.
he just said he was. And you would talk to him, and you would just tell him things. And it was really cool. Like, for some reason, it didn't scare me. But anyway, he's back. He's here, which is really, really cool.
They have him really tall again.
Yes. He's back to his normal size. So, that's awesome. And then at 7 o'clock, I think, there's a drone show.
Yeah.
We'll see if that actually happens as much as it's snowing right now. But there's a lot going on down here right now. So we decided to come down and check it out and bring you with us.
And here's a nice little shot of the locks. Kind of cool. The theater's built right on top of it. And that takes it underneath the city. Glimpse of the new pavilion. It is a nice little pavilion. There's the ice skating rink.
Oh, there's a bigger one over there.
Yeah, now they got this really nice big lawn area to watch concerts. It's a nice big size though. I feel like when they had it before, he was much more smashed down. There he is, Archie. Oh, check it out. They got the little microphone set up so you can talk to him. So we're heading into some more Christmas displays over here. It's pretty big too.
This is a gigantic Glockenspiel,
Yeah.
for sure.
Very neat. Look at that one, some Cabbage Patch Kids.
But it's the old lady who lives in the show.
Yeah,
She had so many Cabbage Patch Kids, she didn't know what to do.
lots of elves. Guy's playing with some tinsel right there. There's the Wizard of Oz. Peter Pan. Yeah. Oh, and I remember this thing too, Raggedy Ann. I feel like you could talk to that too.
This looks really familiar.
I know. I talked to this thing too as a kid.
No, I'm this part.
Oh, okay.
That I don't remember.
I for sure talked to that doll as a little kid.
He's with us.
It's like a Christmas wonderland here in Akron.
Literally, like Thanksgiving was yesterday, and now all of a sudden it's like everything's over. It's Christmas.
Here we are, waiting for the parade to start. Right in front of Lock 3. Ooh, they got a new sign over there too.
We do.
Grinch.
Oh, there's two Grinches. Little transformer. That's pretty well decorated.
Yeah. There's a lot of lights on that cement truck. Grinch on a bike. I wonder if it still has that smell inside.
Oh, I'm sure it does.
What?
We're gonna film this, alright? Alright? Yes, I'm green. But you're also Rudolph. We're gonna film this. You're gonna destroy Christmas. That's your motivation, right? Right? No! No! No? You're so mean.
Alright, Akron. Are you ready? Let's count it down from 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations and thank you, Mayor Shaughnessy Malik, and to all of our students here on stage. Thank you for coming out and joining us. Let's get ready to kick it off, Akron. Make some noise for your first ever choreographed drone show here at Block 3.
Little shot from the back here. It's a nice new little space. Here's another shot of the other ice skating rink. Shit is way too cold to be ice skating right now.
It's not. It's a perfect one.
And they do still have the Children's Museum down in here. And there's the new tree for Lock 3 for Christmas.
All right, everybody. So we just finished up downtown Akron the day after Thanksgiving and the reopening of Lock 3. It was fun. I mean, it was nice to get out of the house for a few hours. It stopped snowing, as you can tell, so at least that part's nice.
Yeah, that part's done.
It was like blizzardy there for a minute,
Yeah,
as you saw.
It's freezing out.
It is downright cold. I mean, and we've lived here our whole lives, so like we're used to the cold, but I mean, it is.
It got really cold in the last few days.
Yeah.
The parade was cool. It was really
long.
long though. I was only expecting it to be like this 10-15 minute long parade. It ended up being it was an hour.
Yeah,
It
like
was a
we
full
couldn't
hour.
we could not even make it through the whole thing. Like we had to go in somewhere and get some
warm
food.
up. Yeah, because it's only like 29 out.
Yeah, it's
Fahrenheit.
I don't even know if it's that cold, or I mean that warm. It might be colder now.
It might be colder now.
It is flipping cold, and we're used to cold. I mean, like, you know,
Yeah.
we went to Germany last year for Christmas and went to amusement parks and stuff, and it's colder here.
Yeah, I got long johns on too.
Me
so,
too.
yeah.
Me too. The problem is I didn't put warm socks on, so
No.
my feet are cold.
It was a nice little event they did.
It
Yeah.
was very cute. And it's just nice to see them trying to clean up downtown Akron and, you know, just try to make it nicer and have more events down
It'll
here.
be
and
nice to
stuff
see what
like
kind
that.
of festivals they have this year next year.
Yeah, for sure. You know, it's just like it looks like a nice little place to hang out now, and they've really, really done a good job cleaning it up and stuff. And hopefully it will stay this way. You know, unfortunately, people, you know, tend to ruin things, but I hope that that is not the case here, because it does look really nice, and it looks like there could be some very nice events down here at this little performing arts stage. So anyway, we just wanted to bring you along with us, and we hope you had a very happy Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
And heading into the Christmas season, and I'm sure we'll find more stuff to get ourselves into over the
for
holidays.
sure.
So just remember, as
That's
always, whatever you decide to do, just get out there and do it.